In this review for Science Foundations, we're taking a look at acids and bases. So what exactly is an acid and a base, and what's the difference? Well, acids and bases are based on a pH scale. pH stands for potential hydrogen. It's the number of hydrogen ions that want to react. pH can either be acidic, as in the case with this hydrochloric or muriatic acid, or these items here which are slightly acidic, they're food items like watermelon, water, and grapes, or they can be basic, things that are above a neutral pH of 7, things like eggs, bleach, and drain cleaner. The pH scale runs all the way from 1 to 14, with 7 being neutral. 1 is acidic and 14 is very basic. Each jump, like from 1 to 2 or 2 to 3, or all the way up, each change is 10 times bigger. So a jump from 7 to 8 is actually 10 times more basic. And a jump from 7 to 6 is actually 10 times more acidic. It's important to understand the relationship between acids and bases because they react with each other. A lot of things that happen in the world, and the things even in your own body that keep you alive, happen because of acids and bases. Even things like stomach acid that helps dissolve your food. Acid will react with things that are basic, donating a hydrogen ion. A base wants to accept a hydrogen ion. As a result, acids and bases can both dissolve things, and both become more powerful and more dangerous the farther out you go on that pH scale towards 1 or 14.
You've been watching the short versions of Science Foundations. We have full lab videos that can be streamed on our Patreon page or downloaded from our online store. Use the links below to access them. Buy the entire set of 75 episodes of Science Foundations, or just one episode or season at a time as you need them. In addition to the lab videos, we provide you with accompanying educational resources, such as PDF fillable student study guides and teacher guides filled with glossary terms, study guide key answers, suggested home experiments, and field trip ideas. We're constantly adding new resources, such as coloring pages and word finds. We're here to help your students get the most from these great episodes. Get all of them on our Patreon page or our online store.